6 months, and I bought it for 140 bucks, giving it a try. Now, I really don't know what the deal is. I was excited about the fact that I don't have to chroma key anything, and after buying a full studio for green screening, I thought maybe this would be fun for when I'm Fortniting. So I thought I'd give this a shot and see what you people think. I mean, this video is all about how this so-called chroma keying thing works with this. And I can tell you right now, it's pretty horrible. They basically say you need to get your cam, plug it in, and automatically install drivers. And then basically you've got to go to their site. As you can see, you go to their site and you end up downloading a whole whack load of stuff. I mean, it should come with it naturally, but the programming doesn't. You don't get a disk, you don't get an install, anything. You just plug it in and away it goes. It'll give you its base drivers. Then you have to go and register with Logitek, as you can see right here. And once you do that, you need to do this. You have to go click on support, go to the Logitek site. You go to the support tab. You have to click the tab, support home. Then you have to go to downloads in this tab here, which is stupid, the process they have to get you to do all this instead of running through all the find your product and do all this other crap that they want you to do. You go over and you hit downloads. Now, you're getting XSplit with this already, and you get it free for 6 months, and you got the programming, and you have two softwares that almost conflict with each other. Your Logitech programming, and then you have your XSplit. And then when you try to use OBS, I mean, it gets even more complicated. So when you look at this, you go click downloads, you go down, Windows 10, and now look at all the downloads there are. It's ridiculous, everything you've got to go through. So apparently the two main programs you need to download to make this work properly, to hopefully have the chroma key working the way you want it to, you scroll down past the first set, then you'll come across all other downloads. Now right here, what you're going to have to do is scroll down to camera settings, and you download that, which I already have. I would show you. I've downloaded it. And then after you do that, you got to go to the Chroma Cam by Personify, which I really don't understand. You got to get that one as well. Now Personify is exactly what XSplit is. It's the same thing. You're getting XSplit free for 6 months or 3 months, whatever the key is they give you with it. But they're telling you here you need to download this also to make it work. Now you really don't. If you got XSplit and you got the key, run it, because it's the same thing. At least you get no watermarks, no nothing for 3 to 6 months, and you can enjoy that, free of any bullshit. But when you do the Chroma Cam by Personify, you're basically going to end up with the watermark, and it doesn't go away unless you actually subscribe to it and pay your $20. It is Canadian. It's $20, $19.99, and it's apparently a lifetime key for it. So I mean, that's up to you. I mean, you could choose to do that if you want. Right now I'm using XSplit, and as you can see, there's a lot of artifacting going on, and I tried to use my Stormtrooper helmet, but the white, it basically looked like I had no head. I was like gone from here up. So here is my take on what's going on. Don't go downloading a whole bunch of shit. I mean, if you've got the Logitech programming already and you're using everything that it came with and it downloaded, you're using XSplit, leave it at that. I mean, there is no fix for this. Logitech has to get their shit together and actually fix their chroma keying, in order to make everything work. Otherwise, you're just wasting your time, and why bother, you know? It's a pain in the ass. As you can see, you do get different settings. You can do this and do that. Here, as you can see, I got my... You can flip through the different page setups. I mean, it allows you to do different things, so you can actually have some fun with it. But you don't need to go off and do a whole bunch of other crap. I mean, when the XSplit runs out, I'm just going to go back to my C922 X Pro, and I'll just stream normally, and I'm going to get myself a green screen to put up behind me, and I'm just going to do it normally. I mean, it's great to be lazy, but I mean, and fun, but it's irritating with all the artifacts, and it makes your videos look, as you can tell, poor. So I already have a studio, green screen studio, but I can't necessarily set that up around me. So I'm going to get a green screen to put behind me and see how that works. So for now, I hope this has been a little bit informational. Stream Troopers on YouTube, and if you want to follow me on Twitch, I'm doing a lot of Fortniting lately. I also do Dota 2, and I also play a lot of Star Wars: The Old Republic. I'm doing a full series walkthrough from a character from the beginning to the end, and I'm 3/4 of the way through the series. And if you only knew how much space it takes up when you make 1080p videos, wow, high quality video, expensive, but at about an hour per video. So yeah, if you get the chance to check it out, please do. Subscribe, like. If you want to follow me on Twitch, it's under my game name in Fortnite is Pinkskin, but my Twitch account is Mike Ingman, INGMAN. Just hop in, hit a follow, and if you're a follower, I team up with my followers. Now, I'm not bragging or anything, but I'm only average at the game. But if you decide you want to have a bit of fun, go right ahead. Hook me up. I'll hook you up. We'll play some games. We'll see if we can't get better at the game together. But thanks for checking out the video. And now you understand that there's nothing you can do. You're going to have to deal with the way this is until they fix it. If you really want to make something happen, get in touch with Logitek. Go through their support. Go through their whatever you have to, any way possible, to get them to actually refine their chroma keying effects for their C922. Not to make a whole new webcam you got to spend 150, 200 bucks on, but fix the programming with this one. I mean, it shouldn't be that bad for them. So thank you for watching, and now that you understand how this works and how it doesn't work, share this, please. Get people to check it out. Hit subscribe. I really could use it. I'm new on the whole YouTube scene, so have a good one.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park.